Hi, and welcome to the show. In this video, I'm going to give you some information about some things that other music and concert photographers may not tell you. So I may be the first. The music world is a very, very, very small world. You might have heard of 6 degrees of separation, and I'll read this to you. 6 degrees of separation is the idea that all people are 6 or fewer social connections away from each other. As a result, a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend. Let me tell you something. The music world is more like 3 degrees of separation, and it's smaller than you may think. If you don't believe me, go out and Google your favorite music artist and concert photographers and look at the pictures. And what you will see is most of the time you'll see the two of them together. So a friend of yours may know somebody who knows a friend of yours who... So what does it all mean? So what does it mean? It means that people will talk about you and your actions and your personality and what they think of you. And that information will get around very, very quickly. You will experience other people, their egos, their personalities, and people will tell you what to expect of other photographers and artists and managers and those other people simply on their opinion. And the best thing to do is be very, very careful. Some people will have an envy for you, and it often lies under the surface of your relationship and very, very deep. You may not even know that envy is there, but sometimes it is. Ha! You thought the concert and music photography was all about getting a media pass and camera gear, didn't you? No, it's different and more than that. Me personally, I have at times a Jim Marshall type of attitude, and at times I'd rather tell somebody what they can do with themselves and to take off more than anything else. But the best advice I can give you is to control your attitude, treat everyone with utmost respect, and don't go down the rabbit hole of drama. Stay away from all the drama that you will find. It will save you. So, simply be nice. Don't be an ass. Avoid certain people and troubles. You'll eventually know who they are and what they are. Strive to be the best photographer you possibly can be, and do not worry, people will still hate you. What can I say? Especially if they have the same level or less of talent than you do. But sometimes you don't even have to do anything at all. Just know that some people will hate you just to hate you. Be humble, know your value, and don't be arrogant. Do not put up with any crap either. You know, you don't have to be walked on or anything like that. Just don't put up with any garbage. And sometimes it's better just not to deal with certain individuals, and just when the time is there, just walk away. Just walk away. This is the kind of stuff that very few concert and music photographers will tell you. And rather than ruin your reputation, and learn from you and work smart, but stay away from drama and troubles. This is going to be a very short video this week because we're just flat exhausted. Over the last 2 weeks we had a major festival show up with 3 days, and we shot, I guess I shot probably between 25 and 35 artists and bands from everywhere. And then last Sunday, I go out to start my sports car, and I look at the floorboard, and a cat gave birth to 4 baby kittens on the bottom of my car's floorboard. So we're exhausted, and but as always, we appreciate you watching the videos. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, confusions, just drop it in the comments. Let me know. I try to get up and answer all of them, as many as I can. And we'd like to thank you for viewing the videos. Have a good time. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye.